So if you know me at all, you know I love my routines. I stick to my routines no matter what, and they are my pride and joy. And I'm so excited because today I've partnered with Dove to show you guys my relaxing kind of reset nightly routine that I do, featuring their White Peach Rebalance line. I'm going to be showing you guys how to smell amazing and how to make that amazing smell last all freaking day long, aka scent layering. The shower in this routine has to be my favorite part because a shower should be more than just a quick rinse. It should be a ritual, a moment to indulge your skin. That's what it feels like ever since I have incorporated these 3 products into my routine. And I've partnered with Dove today to show you how I use the peach scent across all 3 products, because the key to smelling good is the layers. All 3 of these products are in the peach rebalance scent, with the 24-hour lotion soft skin body wash, their Dove beauty bar also in the peach scent, and the Dove body scrub peach scent. With these 3 products, you never have to worry if you smell good or not, because if you're layering your scents, you're smelling amazing. Let's stop blabbering. Let me show you how I incorporate these into my shower routine and then the rest of my evening. Let's go. Alrighty, let's get into this routine. After making some dinner and hanging out with Binky, laying on my bed, we're gonna walk our little butts on over to the bathroom. This shower is definitely my favorite part of this whole routine. It's the ultimate self-care moment. Using all 3 Dove products makes it feel so luxurious from start to finish. I always start with the Dove body scrub. This is going to gently exfoliate and buff away any dead skin, leaving my skin feeling unbelievably soft and smooth. It's the perfect first step to prep your skin for anything that follows. Each product brings something different, but together they create this full body experience that is calming, sensory, and kind of magical. It's like a spa moment that I get to have anytime I want, right in my own bathroom. Next, I go in with the Dove body wash. I'm obsessed with how rich and creamy the lather is of this, okay? This will always make me feel instantly relaxed and comforted. It's soft, it's hydrating, it feels like a cloud wrapping around you. The Dove body wash has this creamy, velvety texture that lathers up so beautifully. It feels so rich on the skin. The scent is calming without being overwhelming, and it really sets the tone. Lastly, I go in with the Dove Beauty Bar, which is a classic for a reason. It's incredibly gentle, and unlike regular soap, it doesn't strip your skin. It leaves it soft, smooth, and clean in the best way. I use this in any areas that need a little extra attention and a little bit more cleansing. This step not only enhances the skin, but also helps lock in the scent and makes it last even longer. These Dove products are what make the whole experience feel so special. They turn a regular shower into something way more indulgent. Now that we've treated the skin on our body, it's time for our face. Duh. I always love to do these collagen masks. They always just give me the most gorgeous glow on my face and feel so hydrating, and because it's winter, my skin has been so freaking dry. And then we gotta moisturize the body, and then I'll change into some sort of matching set. Obviously, I always like to do my dishes before I go to bed. That way I wake up with a clean space. And then I always make a tea. I love tea, guys. I'm a tea girl to the day I die. So I'll make a little tea, I'll light my candle, you know the vibe. I'll make it so vibey in my house. The only way I'll have a good night is if I start with a vibe in my house. You know what I mean? I always read my book. I like to read this book as much as I can during the day because it's so helpful. It's the How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Carnegie, I don't know how to say his last name, but it's so good. And then we're back in my bathroom, and I'm gonna do some skincare, brush my teeth, floss. Guys, if you're not flossing your teeth, what are you doing? Always make sure to floss. Every night I make sure to thoroughly brush my hair and use a little hair oil at the ends, and I always use my bonnet. I always sleep in my bonnet, guys. I love my bonnet, and I've seen such a difference in my hair. I always look a little silly, but that's okay. Then we'll turn off our lights, take off the pillows, get in bed, and I always have to end up scrolling on my phone a little bit. You know, I try my hardest not to do this before bed, but it always happens. Then I turn on my hatch light and I read my book until I'm all nice and sleepy, and then I go to bed. Okay, there you have it, folks. There is a routine that keeps me sane. Seriously, no, whenever I do this routine, I always wake up feeling my very best, and I smell my very best. Yeah. If you're looking to elevate your shower routine or craft your perfect signature scent, you're gonna need to add all of these Dove products into your routine. I love using these products because they create the most long-lasting signature scent for me. I mean, every time I just take a whiff, I just want to eat it, but don't do that. I hope you guys love this video. I know I loved this video because this is always my favorite routine to do. Nice, relaxing, reset type of routine. And I will always love an excuse to get in the shower and use these 3 products. These are something you need to add to your routine. Trust me, if you're gonna trust anyone, if you're gonna listen to anyone, it's gonna be me. And I'm saying right now, you need to put these into your routine. They're available now. Get your little paws on them. Trust me. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.